Hi, today I will show you how an app called Flet Windows Optimizer works. Flet Windows Optimizer is an app developed with Flet that focuses on optimizing Windows by eliminating temporary files. The app requires no installation and comes with a user-friendly interface that has one option, namely to clear the temp data. Although you are presented with 3 options for cleaning, clicking on them only targets different waste from various areas where it is stored. To avoid errors and other problems, it is recommended to run the tool with administrator rights. This way, you can be sure that the program has access to certain directories outside the scope of normal accounts. Flet Windows Optimizer provides a simple and direct way to clean up temporary files on your PC, and I recommend it to everyone. See you next video, and now some music.